Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start our session with a prayer. Okay? So, children, join your hands and repeat the prayer along with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. Once again repeat the prayer, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, let's start with our English subject. Okay. So, as you all know that we have started with theme book 2, right? We have started with theme book 2, all about me. So, in this book, we are going to start with the alphabets now. Okay, here is the page for the first alphabet. This is your page number 9. So, this is your first alphabet. Letter A. Okay. Now, children, it means from today we are going to start learning the alphabets. Okay. We are going to learn the capital, that is uppercase, as well as the lowercase, that is small letters together. Okay. You can see over here, this is the capital letter A. Okay, I'll tell you what do we mean by uppercase and lowercase. Okay, this is your uppercase, that is capital alphabet A, and this is your lowercase, that is small letter A. Okay, understood, children? Now you will not say capital and small letter. You will say uppercase and lowercase letter. I repeat, uppercase means capital letter and lowercase means small letter. So today we are going to learn how to write uppercase as well as lowercase letter A. We will start with the alphabet A. Okay. Now in your nursery section, okay, in last session you have all, when you were in nursery you have learned only the uppercase, right? So today I'll teach you in junior KG. Today you will be learning how to write lowercase alphabets. Okay, what I'll do is I'll show you how to write uppercase as well as lowercase letter together using the patterns. Okay, so let's start, children. So children, you all can see what I have taken over here. I have taken a blank sheet. Okay, what you can do, you can also take a blank sheet before practicing in the lines. Okay, before practicing on the lines you can also take this type of blank sheet and you can take the crayon and you can start practicing. Okay, first I'll show you how to write the uppercase letter A. First we will see how to write uppercase, that is capital alphabet A, using the patterns. Okay, first you have to draw one slanting line, left slanting line towards left. Okay, and then one more slanting line towards right. Okay, and then you have to join both the slanting lines with the help of the sleeping line. Understood? One more time you can see. पहले आपको slanting line towards left draw करना है, फिर स्लैंटिंग लाइन टूवर्ड्स राइट ड्रॉ करना है और दोनों स्लैंटिंग लाइंस को आपको ज्वाइन करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्लीपिंग लाइन. अंडरस्टूड? In this way you have to practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet A. You all know how to write capital alphabet A, right? Now let's proceed towards the lower case, that is small letter A. Now children, how will you write lower case, that is small letter A? So let's start with the lower case letter, children. For lower case letter A, what you have to do? First you have to draw one small curve towards right. Okay, understood? Small curve towards right, and then you have to join this curve with the help of the standing line. Okay, and a small tail near the standing line. Okay, once again I'll show you. You have to draw one curve towards right. Okay, then you have to join this curve. One second. You have to join this curve and then a small tail. In this way you have to write lower case, that is small letter A. Understood, children? In this way. Okay. So now children, we are going to practice in this book. This is your theme book 2, all about me. Before practicing in this book, if you feel that you have to practice, as you are going to start with the lower case, that is small letter से आप अभी start कर रहे हो, so what you can do, you can practice in the blank paper, okay, or else in any other book, and then you can start with this book. Okay, understood all of you? So in this book, Oxford Advantage Little Champs All About Me Theme 2 book, in this book open to your page number 9. Okay, today first we will, let's see what is given on this page for you all for the letter A. Okay children, so children, here is the page number 9. Let's start the letter A. Let us learn about the letter A. Okay, we will see what is given over here for letter A. A is for Annie ant who threw apples from a tree. Here is the ant whose name was Annie. ये ant का नाम क्या था? Annie. What she used to do? She used to threw the apples from the tree. See over here, you can see she is on the tree. Annie ant tree पे बैठी है और वो क्या करती थी? She used to threw the apples from the tree. Okay, झाड़ से apples नीचे फेंकती थी. Then for Andy alligator who ate them with glee. Okay, here is the alligator whose name was Andy. Okay, ant alligator के लिए apples throw करती थी and alligator used to eat the apples happily. Okay, this is the first thing which is given for you all about letter A, in which ant and the alligator has been introduced. A for ant, A for alligator. A for ant, A for alligator. Okay, now look here, listen to the sounds made by letter A. Now children, today in this session we will first practice how to write uppercase and lowercase letter A. Okay, and then in the next session I will teach you what is the sound of A. Understood? So what we will do today, we will read the word starting with the letter A. Okay, then in the next session when I will teach you the sound of A, at that time we will read the words again so that you can make the sound and get to know about the word. ठीक है? So let's start reading the words. We are studying about the letter A. A for axe, A for ankle, A for apple, A for arrow, A for alligator, and A for aeroplane. Okay, in this way you have to, just today you have to read the words. Okay, read the words starting with the letter A. Okay, then trace the big letter A and the small letter A, uppercase A and lowercase a. We will practice uppercase and lowercase a in the next page. Here is your page number 10, in which what is given? Now trace the letter A in the lines. You can see 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. You have to trace. First we will practice the uppercase, that is capital A, and then we will come to the lowercase, that is small letter a. So over here you can see the tracing dots. First you have to draw one slanting lines towards left, then slanting line towards right, then sleeping line. Okay, so let's start. Slanting line towards left, slanting line towards right, and one sleeping line. Okay, in this way you will practice uppercase, that is capital letter A. Okay, this full way. Slanting line towards left, slanting line towards right, and one sleeping line. Okay, understood? Yes children, in this way you have to practice uppercase, that is capital letter A. Okay, and then come to the lowercase, that is small letter a. What you have to do, as I said, now over here children, I'll tell you, first you have to start from the first red line, passing through the first blue line and touching the second blue line. पहले ऊपर वाले रेड लाइन से शुरू करना है और सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन को आपको टच करना है, और स्लीपिंग लाइन आपको फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पे बनाना है. ओके, नाउ ओवर हियर फॉर द लोअर केस आपको सिर्फ ये ब्लू लाइन में ही लिखना है. यू डोंट हैव टू टच बोथ द रेड लाइन्स. ब्लू लाइन के नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए, ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक वन स्मॉल कर्व इन बिटवीन टचिंग द ब्लू लाइन, कर्व टूवर्ड्स राइट, फिर एक छोटा सा स्टैंडिंग लाइन और उसको टेल. गॉट इट? इन दिस वे आई हैव शोन यू, राइट? कर्व टूवर्ड्स राइट, स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड टेल, कर्व टूवर्ड्स राइट, standing line and tail. Okay, in this way you have to practice all these lower case, that is small letter a. So you all can see children, I have completed this page, page number 10, by practicing uppercase and lowercase letter a on the tracing dots. In this way today you have to practice how to write uppercase and lowercase letter a. Okay, understood all of you? So children, now what you will do, you all will take out your Oxford Advantage Little Champs All About Me book, open to your page number 9. First you will practice reading the word starting with the letter A, and then you will practice writing on the red and the blue lines. ठीक है, both uppercase and lowercase. Understood? Now take out your book and start practicing. In the next class I will teach you what is the sound, phonic sound of A, what is the phonic song of A, and I will narrate a short story जिसमें I will be using the words starting with the letter A. ठीक है? Alright then, now take out your books and start practicing children. Thank you so much. Bye bye.